Hey, it's Simon here. How are you? We're going to learn English Rose by the Jam. Play 6, 6, 5, thumb 1, 2 on each of those strings, the A string, D string, and D string. And we're going to go, and then you do it again. And you finish the bar off, the last two quavers. Right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, it's up to you what you do here. I'm quite tempted to put my first finger flat, so I have 5, 6, 5. Same pattern. I mean, you could just put your first finger, I suppose. And then that comes down a semitone to play D flat major 7. So these chords A flat with a flat 5. No, jazz. D flat major 7, and then you can rejig your hand to play the regular chords, so you have 4, 6, 5, 6. We're going to play a D diminished, half diminished, and then crotchet triplets, right? Ba, 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 right? So ba, 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 right? That's the rhythm. And then we head back into the A flat. And then the song starts, and he starts it by kind of centering the chord, if you like, on an A flat. All right, so that last bar of the intro is A flat, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6, and then he hits the A flat. Right, then the flat 5, D flat major 7, then the chord, and then the D half diminished, and then the D flat major 7, and then back to A flat. Okay, so that's the chorus, and then he hits the first verse, which is really similar chord-wise, but slightly different order, I guess. So A flat 5, D flat major 7, then back to A flat, start. See, each time he hits the on the 1 when it comes around the cycle. So back to A flat. And then here we go back to the chorus, play that through, play the verse again. And then we're going to get another chorus after that verse, and this is the one that leads to the key change, right? So we're going to play A flat, up we go, semitone, A. Right, then A, same thing, but just a semitone, back to A major, A with a flat 5, D major 7, back to A. Same kind of idea, right? He hits the bass there, chorus 4, D major 7, chords, E flat, half diminished, D major 7, A major. Outro here. And that's how you play English Rose. For more Morel, go here. See you next time.